For a moment, I want you to imagine coming across a coin and accidentally spending it when in reality, your coin is worth a lot more money than just 1 penny. That's the reality of a lot of people. I'm constantly hearing stories of people finding out that they actually had a really rare coin that they didn't know about until they watched one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you some extremely rare coins and what you need to be looking for exactly to make sure you never, ever miss one of these rare coins worth a lot of money. So let's hop into this video. Up first, we have a 1924S 1 cent wheat penny. Now this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 red with a CAC sticker, and it sold for $45,600. You may be asking why, and I'm going to tell you right now. So first of all, this is a 1924 coin. You have to understand that this coin is almost 100 years old. Next, you can see a small S mint mark underneath the date there. That stands for the San Francisco Mint, where this coin was produced. San Francisco typically mints less coins, and we know how supply and demand works. The less coins produced typically means more demand is going to be there. Next, this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 65. That's 5 points away from the perfect grade of 70, which is the highest achievable grade. Another very important factor is the color of the coin. This one was designated by PCGS as a red. Now I'm going to throw up a diagram showing the difference between red, red brown, and brown variety coins. You want to get the red ones because red is the closest appearance to the mint state condition. Lastly, this has a CAC sticker. So after you get your coin graded and authenticated by a third-party grading company, you will send your coin off to another third party called CAC. These guys pretty much look at your coin and see if the coin is in good condition, and they agree with the grade. You will get a different color sticker if they think the coin is undergraded and should grade higher. You pay a small fee for them to look at your coin and consider if your coin is worthy for the CAC sticker or not. And it's so silly, but it's the reality that that small CAC sticker will dramatically increase the value of the coin. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $45,600. Here we have one of my favorite types of coins. This is a 1969S double die obverse coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 64 red. This coin sold for $51,600. This is what you need to look out for. So you can tell there's a lot of brown staining on the front of the coin. That is actually called toning. That's okay and does not impact the grade too much. Now, if that was not there, the coin would have probably sold for more money, but the main reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it is a doubled die obverse. Now, 1969 is famous for having very strong doubling happening at In God We Trust at the top, Liberty at the left, and the date at the bottom right there. Most of the time, the more dramatic and strong the doubling is, the more money the coin is going to be worth. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $51,600. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Here we have a 1923S 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 red with a CAC sticker. This coin sold for $66,000, and this is why. A lot of the time, the older your coin is and the better condition it's in, the more money it will be worth. If you look at this coin, it literally looks like it was just produced the other day, which is very challenging to do for a coin that's almost 100 years old. As I said before, San Francisco minted coins are generally harder to come by because less of them were produced. This one also has the CAC sticker, which will increase the value quite significantly. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $66,000. I really enjoy this type of coin. This is a 1922 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 brown with a CAC sticker. This coin sold for $82,250, and here's why. So when you first look into this coin, you can tell that the front of the coin is obviously toned. The color is different than normal. Toning is a naturally occurring oxidation process where the air will react with the metals in the coin and change the color of the coin. Next, you'll notice that the coin on the front is a bit muddled. It's a bit of a weak strike. Now, a lot of people confuse this with a circulated coin, meaning that it went out into circulation. This one graded at a mint state 65, meaning that it never went out into circulation. So that has to do with simply the way the coin was struck. Now, you can see that this is a strong reverse coin. If you flip the coin over, you can see how bold and strong this strike was on the back. Depending on the strike of this 1922 penny will depend a little bit about the value of the coin, but the main reason why this coin sold for $82,250 is because of the grade, the fact that it has a CAC sticker, and mainly because this is a no D mint mark coin. Typically, this coin will have a D mint mark around the date there, and this one does not have it whatsoever. If you have a 1922 no D coin, make sure you hold on to it, keep it it's safe because it's going to be worth a lot of money. If you want to know more about coin values, handling, and grading, I have a completely free ebook. All you got to do is click the link below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research. Here we have a 1926S 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 red. This coin sold for $149,500, and here's why. So a very important factor also when valuing their coin is when the coin is being sold. If the coin is being sold at a market high, it's obviously going to be worth more money than if it's being sold at a market low. During times of panic when people need money and they sell off their coin collection, most of the time it's going to bring less money than if the economy is doing really well. That's not always the case though. If you have a 1926S penny like this and it's in really good condition, you could have a coin worth a lot of money. This one little penny sold for $408,000, and I'm going to tell you exactly why right now. So this is a 1944S 1 cent coin struck on a zinc coated steel planchet graded by PCGS, a mint state 66 with a CAC sticker. So if you have a 1944 penny, it should not look like this. It should be bronze, but this coin was accidentally struck on that zinc coated steel planchet. So during the war efforts, they transitioned because they needed bronze for ammunition, and they started producing coins in zinc coated steel planchets. This was a transition back into the copper bronze planchets, but this one accidentally got struck on that zinc planchet. So if you have one of these, you came across an incredibly rare coin because again, this one sold for $408,000. Now here's the reverse of that. This is a 1943 coin that should have been struck on a zinc coated steel planchet, but it was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet. This one graded by PCGS, a mint state 64, and it sold for $804,000. YouTube is very smart and knows exactly what you want to watch, and that video is on the screen right now. Make sure you click on that video and I'll see you inside.